treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Honda Civic. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Honda's comprehensive certification process, including an exhaustive 150-point inspection. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.